How's everybody doing today? This is DJ with One Time Outdoors, and I am going to talk about this knife right here. It's made by Steel Wool, and it is the Cutjack C22M Cutjack D2 Satin FRN Blue. I'm gonna set the camera here and hope and pray you can see and hear me. So, a friend of mine sent me this knife because, as some of you know, I have the worst luck in the world. I just moved recently and a lot of my stuff was stolen. Go figure. So, a friend of mine, said that they had this knife. It was almost brand new. I don't even think he used it. It still has all the paperwork with it. Your little, congratulatorial letter. Just tells you some little things. And then this is your certificate of authenticity. It's like a cardboard piece. It has the model number, inspection date on it. So it actually comes, very nice. And it's a fairly cheap knife, especially for what you get. So here's the knife. It does have tip up carry only, but it is reversible. It has a little, back spacer with a lanyard hole. This is a flipper, and he did let me know that this knife is still new and needs to be broken in because you actually have to give it a little flick in order for it to open. But the steel is D2. Here's the knife. It does have steel liners, and it also is a liner lock. And I believe it is on bearings, or maybe, I believe it's on bearings, but don't quote me on that. So, I haven't carried this knife yet. But I wanted to do a video first. And I really like it. It feels really good in hand. I don't think there's one video out there that somebody's talking bad about this knife. For the price and what you get, you can't, there's not much better out there. So this came hair shaving sharp. Like I said, pretty much brand new. I don't think he ever carried it. There's no signs of wear anywhere, so it was a brand new knife, and it feels good in hand, this way. Now, I do think if you were going to use this knife for, a good 45 minutes, this pocket clip, might start giving you a hot spot. But, what knife with a pocket clip wouldn't give you, a little hot spot after a while? But when you choke up on the knife, that pocket clip goes, it doesn't bother you as much because it kind of folds right in where your pinky would grab. And the jimping on it is good. It's not too aggressive. It's not sharp. So this is my, I guess, initial impressions and unboxing of the steel wool cutjack. It's a great knife, and I'll definitely get a lot of use out of it. It also has a little bit of jimping on the flipper tab, which I really like because I actually just got a knife the other day, and the doesn't have any jimping right here, and my finger slips off the flipper tab, so that's nice. It has a good early lockup. Yeah, great knife. So I just wanted to thank everyone for watching. And if you have any comments, please leave them. And I answer all my messages. Not that I get many, but I do answer them. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, or not. But God bless, and have a great Memorial Day weekend.